Hello everyone and welcome to Raymondo Lee. So we have a new pair of trainers to share with you. These have just arrived. They are a pair of Salomons. These are the XA Pro 3D V9 and I've gone for the wide version and they are GORE-TEX. So here is the box, and this is the first time I've actually looked at these, folks. Seen them briefly in the shop, but these were on an absolutely fantastic deal. And this video is not a review as such, it's more just to show you what they actually look like. And for you to see if you're thinking about buying them. There's loads of videos online, but I just thought I'd show you what they look like. So I have many pairs of hiking shoes. I own Merrell Moab 3s. I actually own a couple of pairs of Merrell Moab 3s for serious hiking. And I did have a pair of Speed 2s. Unfortunately, they were a little too tight for me, so I had to send them back. So I've had the money that I got from those saved, and I thought these came on offer. And I thought, why not? Buy them, give them a try. So I had actually been to Sports Direct, and they had them in the shop there. And they were £120. I've not paid £120 for them. So they are GORE-TEX. I need them in black. I am going on a cruise and I'm going to possibly wear them during the day. I'm certainly going to be walking around different places with them on while I'm on the cruise. They are trail running shoes. So if you are thinking about buying them purely for running, you can get a good look at them. I'll spin them around on the box. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do they look nice? Would you consider buying these? Even if it was at full retail price? Let me know in the comments. I think they look really nice. And I've always actually wanted a pair of these Salomons. So yeah, Pro 3D Salomons. I think they're pretty nice looking. Tess is going to be trying them on. They are wide. I've picked the wide version. The size 10s I tried on in the shop were a little bit on the tight side, but they didn't do wide. I asked them for wide and they said, we can't supply you wide. So I ended up walking away. Not that I'd have bought them from them anyway, not at that price. So I'll tell you a little bit about these Salomons. So the XA Pro 3D V9 is about stability, durability and support in a trail running package tough enough to take on even the most arduous adventure. The XA Pro 3D V9 need no introduction. It's an icon amongst icons and is as reliable as it is familiar. Super stable, super tough, now even more grippy and long-term protective with tailored lug patterns and all-terrain contour grips. So if we're looking at the back section here, featuring our 3D advanced chassis, a low profile ultra stable chassis that optimizes motion control and provides underfoot protection and stability at every direction. It has a reinforced cap, as you can see, to provide robust reassuring protection for your feet. And you can see, look, it does have like a robust end to the cap on the feet. It's an unbeatable combo of grip and durability thanks to a specific lug geometry and pattern, backed up by our all-terrain contour grip compound for extra stickiness and endurance. I'll just turn it over, and so that's the lugs. And if I turn it over, there's your grip on here. So yeah, I think for what I paid, I can't complain. I'm pretty happy with them. So folks, let me know in the comments, do you own a pair of these? Would you recommend them? I've seen people say that they don't use them for trail running at all. I've seen people that say that they do use them for trail running and love them. Like I said, I won't be using these for trail running. I will be using them for hiking, along with my Merrell Moabs that I also own, Merrell Moab 3s. I own them in black as well. And yeah, I've got these in black, but only because they're on a really good sale. And the other thing is they are very lightweight. Compared to the Moab 3s, they are a lot lighter. And I've mentioned this in a previous one, so if you see my other videos of my Merrell Moabs, I absolutely love those hiking shoes. Thank you very much for watching this one. I really appreciate you taking the time. I hope you found it useful if you're thinking about buying them, if you're on the fence. I can show you a little bit. I'll try and get as close as I can, give you a bit more detail. I do find them very nice to look at. And I like the fact it's got this, I like the lacing on these. So yeah, I'll try them on and see what they are like. But yeah, this is not a full-on review, folks. So yeah, if you want to see reviews, there's other people done them. Let's just show you what I bought really, and if you're thinking about buying the black ones, this is what they look like. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, folks. I'll see you again soon.